Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to do set up this Android device in front of us right now. So in this case it's gonna be a Oppo Reno 2F. I just put it in the case which was included in the retail box. And yeah, let's start with the setting up process right away so that we don't waste time. So you go ahead and choose your language. This is for accessibility settings. Well, we don't need that. And now you go ahead and go next. So you read the user agreement, which I already read. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click I have read and agreed to all the user agreement. Then you go next. Then you may read this privacy and security protection, so that's also there. User experience program. All right, next. Here is the most important part. I want to mention that you can see my Wi-Fi right here, but I want to mention that do not connect to Wi-Fi because it will start searching for updates and it will make your whole process delayed. So what you're gonna go do is click skip, then add your Wi-Fi right when you get in the phone. I mean inside your after your phone is set up. So you give skip. Well, you can turn on these Wi-Fi assistant, doesn't matter. In my case I'm going to. And you have to read through all these Google's policies, I guess, privacy policies. So I've read and checked all of them. You go accept. So here it depends on each phone. In my case I'm just gonna set up a password. So well, it doesn't matter, you can go ahead and set whatever you want. Then you have your Hey Tap Cloud. It depends on each phone again. If you were well, this is an Oppo phone, so it goes with that. If it's a Samsung phone, it'll go with the Samsung Galaxy account, and exactly, you get the point. So for now I'm gonna click on later because I'm gonna do it later. Then here we have import from old phone or from cloud. For the sake of video I'm not gonna do neither one of them. So next, then you have the personalization. So here you can choose well, whatever you want. And here you have the option of skip. These are bloatwares, be aware and do not install them. And here you go. This is exactly how you set up your Android phone, and I am inside my phone right now with the pre-installed apps and everything. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today's video, and thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.